Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm making simple but very delicious lemonade. I always say when summer gives you lemons, you make lemonade. To make this lemonade, you need 1 cup of freshly juiced lemons. You can buy store-bought lemon juice, it is still the same, but I like to freshly squeeze mine. There are so many ways to squeeze out your juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can just press it, squeeze it, and the juice will come out. You squeeze it by hand and the juice will come out. Or you could use a fork. Just put it in, press it and move it around. It's gonna help the juice to come out. Shout out to all those that have subscribed. Thank you very much. You guys are the best. I love you. God bless you. I'm just gonna continue till I'm done. When I'm done, I'm gonna strain it. I don't need a pulp. If you need a pulp, you can leave it, but I do not want the pulp. I just want it to be smooth and very crisp. When I'm done, I'm gonna refrigerate it. Then I'm gonna make the simple syrup. You could make the simple syrup ahead of time, but whichever way you do it is fine. I also like to slice some lemons to garnish the lemonade. It makes it look very pretty. Like when you see the picture of lemonade and you see slices of lemon, is really very pretty, so delicious. So I'm just gonna go in and remove some of the seeds, and when I'm done, I'm gonna refrigerate it while I'm making the simple syrup. You do not have to remove the seeds if you don't want to. It's still fine. You can cut it into the size you want. Sometimes I like it smaller or just like a disc. To make the simple syrup, you need a cup of sugar and a cup of water. Do not forget to turn on the heat. You can turn it to medium, low or low heat. We just want to dissolve the sugar. So the ratio of the sugar to the water is 1:1. Just continuously stir it until it dissolves. I just want to dissolve the sugar. When it is completely dissolved, turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. You can leave it to cool for a long time, but a quicker way to cool it down, just dump in some ice. It's gonna cool it down very, very fast, and you can have your lemonade in no time. See, it is already cold. So this is the cup of lemon juice that's been in the fridge for a while now. I'm gonna add it to the pitcher. The simple syrup. So I'm gonna add 4 cups of purified water. Just give it a good stir, mix it properly together, and you are done. You can adjust the ingredients. You can add less water, more syrup, more lemon juice to your own taste. This is so delicious. You will want to make it every time. You guys know that lemons are very good for you. Lemons are loaded with vitamins, especially vitamin C. Though it has sugar, it's still good for you. You can still sweeten it with something else like honey or any natural sweetener. So give this a try. You're gonna love it. Your kids are gonna love it. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, share the video, invite your friends. So till I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.